Wow, 459 yards. That's the far side of the hill over there. It took me about half a dozen times till I finally hit a one of these thistles that's growing. I really don't think I could stretch this to 460, 450, but got to give her a whirl, right? Didn't come out here to go home empty. Let's see, it's ever so shortly closer, so that's 450, 445 minimum. And he just standing proud. What kind of drop I'm gonna have at that. A good honest 450, let's give her hell. I think I shot over it. Well, now I know a range, or close to a range. That is as far over there as we're gonna get. Almost all the way across into the tall grass. There's still some dogs over there. Long, long, long haul. But let's see what we can do. I'm just shooting right off top of the post. Where it goes from wide down to narrow. That's what I did on that closest one there, that 450-ish, and I shot over him, I think. The range is perfect. Trying to stay still for the lefty-righty. There's about two of them on that other one. Let's try that guy. Ever so low. Another 4 inches at that elevate, at that distance, and it would have went. Oh, I like this 222. You probably heard me say I've had this thing since I was 13 years old. Well, my dad bought it when I was 13 years old. Being the youngest one in the family, everybody else had stuff. I kind of put claim to it. I think we're going to get lucky with that rainstorm. It's going to the north of us. Quite a bit north. Come on, why don't you poke your heads up a little more? Whew. 450 up this shaky little thing. If we were shooting off a bench, we'd be drawing blood. We'd be splattering meat across the prairie. That range, they just don't get it. By cracky, I think I drew blood on that one. That whop sure sounded good. Well, we got another one here that's about half that far out. What do you think of that, folks? 450 yard shot with a 222 up a shaky ass rest. And the camera's going. We got 260 yards. Just at the left end of that weedy looking stuff, you're just sitting there enjoying the day. That sounded good. Love to hear that whop. Back at that 260 again. I think that's the same hole. Where the hell did he go? In the grass to the left. Misjudging my elevation pretty bad. That one I guessed her right on the money.